States, we use Fahrenheit, but in most other countries, they use Celsius. So to go back and forth between the two, this formula for our Fahrenheit temperature in terms of degrees Celsius, is that Fahrenheit equals 9/5 Celsius plus 32. Now, this is something you are going to use in science soon. Science soon. I promise you, Mr. Calvetti will be really impressed if you remember this. So go ahead and jot it down, maybe talk to him about it tomorrow. And we know that if you know the Celsius, let's say you're over in Europe, and we want to convert it to, well, what's it going to be here in the United States? 9/5 C plus 32. So let's say you have a European friend over, and we know the degrees Fahrenheit, and we want to tell them what it is in Celsius, so it makes more sense to them. Same thing. Well, first, we have one term, two terms. So I need to get rid of the term that does not have Celsius in it. Since it's plus 32, I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides. And I have Fahrenheit minus 32 equals 9/5 C. Remember, when you have a fraction times your variable, just simply multiply by the reciprocal. Both sides, though. So I'm solving for C, so I'm going to multiply by my reciprocal. In this case, it's going to be 5/9. So if I multiply both sides by 5/9, 5/9, but to multiply the entire side, I have to put parentheses. So I'm going to make a little note, parentheses, entire side by 5/9. Let's see what happens. When I cross multiply, I get 5 times 9 is 45/45, which just cancels to 1. So that's why I'm just left with the Celsius. So it's 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. And the parentheses mean the entire side. And then this would be how we could tell them in degrees Celsius. Now, last thing, just kind of to think about it. Can you describe a situation in which a formula could be used more easily if it were rearranged? And where might you use this? Take a couple of minutes to brainstorm. Maybe look online and come to class tomorrow with an idea. Great job. If you have any questions, we're going to do an activity with this tomorrow in class.